Makiri ma Kenya mekorete hatikaine ya kugumirwo ni muiyuro wa maai uria umanite na mbura nene rirathi na mbere na guthanda na icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi, amwe magithama cikaro-ini ciao, angi making'etherwo ni ugwati wa nyumba ciao guthererio ni miiyuro, biacara gutharario na haho ikiambatira ya matuika ma tiri kumira kundu gutiganite.
As today chaired an emergency.
Gitumi giki nikio gicungiriirie thirikari nene kumba kamiti iria irehete hamwe honge itiganite cia thirikari. Na umuthi President William RUTO ni agire na giikaro na kamiti ino niguo kwaririria imwe ya mitaratara iria ikuhuthika hari kunyihia ugwati uria ung'etheire ya Kenya.
The rains have been truly a blessing to us as a nation. We have seen a lot of turnaround because of the rains, but also we have the challenge now of floods in different areas.
The outlook for the next week indicate that the country will receive above normal rainfall across the country. In that regard, all members of the public are urged to exercise caution.
President augite ati andu aria othe maraikara kuria makurirwo maitho ni mogwati maria mangiumana na muiyuro wa maai ni meguthamio kwa ihinda nginyagia riria mbura iricenia.
We need to with certainty understand, and I'm happy the Minister for Energy is here, so that we can begin to inform citizens if they are in places that poses danger to them, we begin to relocate them.
Kenyans are requested to be careful and not to dare nature, because it is dangerous to do so.
Ruhonge rwa mbeu njithi NIWE hamwe na mbiraru cia bururi nio megukorwo magiteithiriria mihang'o-ini ino, na aikari a kaunti ya Nairobi aria magumirwo ni muiyuro uyu nio mekwamba guthamio na kuheo uteithio wa irio na indo ingi.
I already told the National Youth Service to provide some land for us to relocate some of the people who are in the most dangerous parts of Nairobi.
The affected households will be provided with foods and non-food items.
Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Kithure Kindiki ni umwe wa aria mari thiini wa kamiti ino, na riu ni athite mabithaa borithi kunyitanira na ruhonge rwa mutharaba mutune mihang'o-ini ya gwetha andu aria mataramenyekana kuria mari na hihi magiciririo no makorwo mathereretio ni muiyuro.
I think we just need to put everybody on the alert so that we can overcome this short season. I think they are saying in the next 3 or so days.
Daily alerts will be issued to the people of Kenya to inform them of what is happening in areas where there is obvious danger.
Omwe wa uigiririki wa kamiti ya hamwe ni gutigirira ni anyitanira na Ministry ya Githomo niguo kwarira mitaratara ya gutigirira gutiri kihingica gikurehwo ni muiyuro kiria kigigiriria RUTO gucoka thukuru kiumia giukite.
And as ministry, we shall be part of our multi-agency team so that we can adequately work with our colleagues to ensure that our children will be safe.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wagujire.